What if I told you that you could get fitter, stronger, more flexible, and burn calories every single day without ever stepping inside a gym, without buying equipment, and without changing your schedule at all? What if I told you that you could literally improve your health while watching Netflix, your favorite drama series, sports highlights, or even the evening news? Most people believe fitness requires effort, discipline, sweat, motivation, and a specific environment. But here's the truth that most people never hear. Your body doesn't care whether you're in a gym or in your living room. Your body simply responds to movement. And if you can learn how to sneak that movement into the routine you're already doing every day, you can transform your health without changing anything else. Today, I'm going to show you simple exercises you can do while watching TV that make you fitter without you even noticing. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your couch time into powerful health time in the easiest way possible. Let's be honest, most of us love our TV time. After a long day of work or school or family responsibilities, sitting down to relax feels like the best part of the day. But what if that same comfort time could also make your body healthier? Imagine walking into your doctor's office and hearing them say, "I don't know what you're doing, but keep doing it because your heart health is improving, your flexibility is better, your posture has changed, and your energy levels are up." Now imagine you got all of that just from being a little more intentional during your TV time. That's what these exercises are all about. We're not talking about intense workouts, sweat sessions, or anything that ruins the vibe of watching your favorite show. These are gentle, easy, convenient movements that blend into your showtime so naturally that after a week or two, you won't even think about them anymore. They'll just be part of your TV ritual. First thing we need to understand is that movement is medicine. When you sit for long periods, your circulation slows down, your muscles tighten, your posture collapses, and your metabolism becomes sluggish. This is why sitting for hours can make you feel tired even though you're resting. But when you add small bursts of movement, even mild movement, your circulation improves, your muscles stay active, and your body starts burning energy. And no, you don't need to stand up the whole time or ruin your comfort. Some of the best exercises can be done sitting right where you are. And I'm going to walk you through each one in a way that feels simple and doable. So let's start with something super easy, seated leg lifts. You can literally do this without even taking your eyes off the screen. Just sit up a little straighter, tighten your core slightly, and lift one leg straight out in front of you. Hold it for a couple of seconds, lower it, and switch sides. That's it. You'll feel your thighs working, your core activating, and your hips waking up. This tiny movement helps keep your legs toned and improves your circulation. Perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting. And the best part is, you can do it during slow scenes, commercial breaks, or even scrolling through what to watch next. Another incredibly helpful exercise you can do while sitting on the couch is ankle circles. These are especially important for anyone who experiences stiffness, swelling, or poor circulation in their feet or lower legs. Just lift your foot slightly and rotate your ankle in slow circles. It's such a small movement, but has massive benefits. It keeps your joints healthy, prevents stiffness, and increases blood flow to your lower limbs. If you're someone who binge watches multiple episodes, this one will be a lifesaver for your legs. Now let's bring a little attention to posture, because most people don't realize how much damage bad TV posture can do. You know the position: slouched back, rounded shoulders, neck pushed forward, chin down, maybe leaning heavily to one side. This position not only strains your spine, but also weakens your core and tightens your chest muscles. A simple exercise that fixes this is the shoulder squeeze. Sit up tall, pull your shoulders back, and imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Hold for a few seconds, release, and repeat. This strengthens your upper back, opens your chest, and instantly improves your posture. You will literally feel taller and more alert after just a few repetitions. And what I love about this one is that you can do it during intense scenes when you're glued to the screen. No distraction, no effort. Now, like getting off the couch for a minute or two, here's a fun one. couch squats. Stand up, lower yourself down as if you're going to sit, but stop just before you touch the couch and rise back up. This is basically a squat with built-in safety because the couch is right behind you. And you don't even have to do many. 5 to 10 reps during a commercial break or while waiting for the next episode to load can make a huge difference. Your legs, glutes, and core all fire up. Plus, squats are one of the best full-body exercises for boosting metabolism. Do this consistently and you'll feel stronger in your everyday life. Climbing stairs, lifting groceries, getting up from bed, everything becomes easier. Here's another great movement, calf raises. Stand near the couch or even behind it. Lift your heels off the ground and slowly lower them down. This strengthens your calves, improves ankle stability, and pumps blood through your lower body. What's great about calf raises is you can do them while listening to dialogue. No need to look away from the screen at all. One of my personal favorites is the seated torso twist. This one feels amazing. Sit upright, place your hands gently behind your head, and twist your torso slowly from side to side. You'll feel a gentle stretch in your spine and obliques. This can help counteract stiffness from sitting and also gently engages your core. If you're someone who wakes up with back stiffness or spends long hours at a desk, this one will feel like heaven. Now let's add something a little different, the couch march. While sitting, lift your knees one at a time, like you're marching in place. Keep your core tight, stay upright, and lift each knee intentionally. This small but effective movement activates your hip flexors, engages your abs, and gets your blood flowing. And honestly, it's fun. You can do it during a comedy show or a slow part of a movie, and it just feels good. Another option is wall push-ups. If there's a wall near your TV area, stand arm's length away, place your hands on the wall, and do gentle push-ups. This is great because it's easy on your wrists and shoulders, but still gives your chest and arms a nice pump. You can even do it while listening to the show without needing to look at the screen at all. One of my personal favorites is the seated hamstring stretch. Extend one leg out, keep your back straight, and gently reach toward your foot. Hold it for a few breaths and switch sides. This loosens tight hamstrings and helps prevent lower back pain. And yes, you can absolutely do this while watching your show. Just lean forward during slow moments and enjoy the stretch. We can also add some simple glute squeezes that nobody will even notice you're doing. Sit upright and squeeze your glutes for a few seconds, then relax. This strengthens your lower body and improves circulation without requiring movement. Perfect for subtle exercise during emotional scenes when you don't want to break the mood. Let's talk about core activation for a moment, because everyone loves the idea of getting stronger abs without doing traditional crunches. Here's a super easy one, the seated belly pull-in. Sit slightly forward, breathe in, and as you exhale, pull your belly button toward your spine and hold. This engages your deep core muscles, the ones that protect your spine and improve your posture. Do this a few times during each episode, and you'll start noticing a real difference in your midsection strength. If you don't mind standing for a couple of minutes, side leg lifts are incredible for strengthening your hips and outer thighs. You can hold the couch for balance, lift your leg to the side gently, lower it, and repeat. This is especially great if you've been sitting all day because it activates muscles that rarely get used. Plus, you can do it while keeping your eyes completely on the TV. Another fun movement is the standing march with high knees. This one is great for heart health because it adds a mild cardio element. Just lift your knees higher than usual and pump your arms slightly. Even a minute or two can raise your heart rate in a healthy way, all while you continue watching your show. And of course, we can't forget about arm movements. One easy option is arm circles. Just stretch your arms out to the sides and make small circles forward and backward. This wakes up your shoulders and arms and feels surprisingly good after long hours sitting at a desk. Now let's talk about a full body stretch you can do right on the couch, the overhead reach. Sit tall, raise your arms overhead, stretch upward, and take a deep breath. This lengthens your spine, opens your chest, and refreshes your whole body. You can do this anytime you feel yourself sinking into the cushions. Another movement that people underestimate is simple stepping in place. You can stand behind the couch or beside it and walk in place without moving from your spot. It's such an easy way to add steps to your day without leaving the room. And here's something almost nobody thinks about: eye stretches. Yes, even your eyes need movement. Every 20 minutes or so, look away from the screen for a few seconds and focus on something far away. This relaxes your eye muscles and prevents strain. I want you to think about something for a moment. If you added just 5 of these exercises to every episode you watch, even at the lightest intensity, you could be doing 20 to 40 minutes of movement every night. That's more than most people do at the gym. And the best part is, you're not adding time to your schedule. You're simply making the time you already spend more valuable. People often say they don't have time to exercise, but everyone has time to sit and relax. And that's exactly why this method works. When you attach movement to something you already enjoy doing regularly, it becomes effortless. Habit stacking, pairing a new action with an existing habit, is one of the most powerful behavioral tools you can use to stay consistent. Imagine your future self a few months from now. You're watching the same shows, enjoying the same comfort, but your legs are stronger, your posture is better, your back pain is reduced, your energy is higher, and maybe even your weight has dropped because your metabolism is more active. Imagine feeling proud of yourself because you found a way to care for your body without sacrificing your relaxation time. This is the easiest way to make fitness a natural part of your life. And here's the beautiful thing. Every exercise I mentioned can be done at your own pace. No pressure, no intensity, no guilt. Just gentle movement whenever you feel like it. You don't even need to do them all at once. Pick 2 or 3 for each episode and rotate them. Before you know it, your TV time will become one of the most beneficial hours of your day. What matters most is consistency, not perfection. The people who stay fit long-term aren't the ones who push the hardest. They're the ones who keep moving in small, sustainable ways. And that's exactly what this video is about. You're not trying to become an athlete. You're simply trying to care for your body a little more each day in a way that feels comfortable and enjoyable. So the next time you sit down to watch your favorite show, remember that you have an opportunity. An opportunity to make your body stronger, your mind clearer, your joints healthier, and your life better, all while enjoying something you already love. And trust me, once you start adding these movements into your routine, you'll feel so good you won't want to stop. If you found value in this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more health and fitness tips, and share this with someone who needs a simple way to start getting healthier. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.